Electricity. Electricity is all around us. It powers our homes, cell phones, computers, and lights. It runs our modern world. From the lightning and the thunderstorm to the synapses in our bodies, we cannot escape it. Without electricity, your motorcycle cannot function properly, especially if it's fuel injected. AGM stands for Absorbent Glass Mat. They are sealed batteries that do not require any added electrolyte after the manufacturing process. They contain only enough electrolyte to keep the mat wet, which means if the battery is broken, there's no free liquid to leak out. Insert dirty joke here. They are considered the best option for motorcycles because they have a slow discharge rate, which allows for longer times between recharging. Since AGM batteries are tightly packed, they are less prone to vibration, which can be prevalent in motorcycles. I'm looking at you, Harley guys. AGMs also have an advantage over gel batteries in colder temperatures and are 98% recyclable. Lithium batteries are lighter and do offer some benefits over AGM. However, depending on your riding environment and type of motorcycles, an AGM might be just what the doctor ordered. Use the link in the description below to order your battery tender AGM battery and trickle charger. Since the mat holds the acid, AGM batteries are less likely to sulfate. But it is still a good idea to use a protective spray on your terminals. Tools needed for this job include a Phillips screwdriver and Noco NCP2 battery corrosive preventive spray. Using the ignition key, remove the seat to access the battery compartment. Pull the rubber boots off the terminals. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the negative terminal and remove the connections. Unscrew the positive terminal. Be cautious not to touch the screwdriver to the motorcycle frame. This may produce arcing that will startle you and make you go, "Oh shit." Lift the old battery out. This may require some wiggling. Drop in the new battery into the battery compartment. If there is sulfate buildup on the terminals, use a mixture of baking soda and water to clean the terminals with a toothbrush. Baking soda is a base and will neutralize the acidity. Reconnect the bike's negative lead and the negative lead to the battery tender trickle charger to the battery using the Phillips screwdriver. Be aware that the terminal leads require a nut inside the terminal. This can be a total pain in the ass since the bolts aren't always long enough to reach the nut. I used a piece of paper to raise the nut under the terminal so that it catches the threads. Reconnect the positive terminal along with the positive trickle charger lead. Spray some anti-corrosive sealant on each terminal and replace the rubber boots. Run the trickle charger pigtail to where it just protrudes from the seat. This will allow easy charging access without having to remove the seat. Replace the seat. Plug in the trickle charger when storing your bike for extended periods of time or if you have long intervals between riding. This will keep your battery fresh and ready to go. The trickle charger light indicator is as follows. Flashing red means not charging. Solid red means charging. Flashing green means charging with a battery above 80%. And solid green means the battery is fully charged. Congratulations! You have replaced your motorcycle's battery and installed a trickle charger. This will allow you to have maximum reliability when you want to go on those spirited weekend rides with your bros.